Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to share screen on WhatsApp. So let me show you the steps to do it. To share your screen during a video call on WhatsApp, tap the three dots icon in the video controls and tap share screen. Your phone will show a prompt indicating that you are about to begin recording with WhatsApp. Tap start now and begin screen sharing. To stop screen sharing on your screen, tap stop sharing. And there are some notes for you. During screen sharing session, the video feeds of call members appear below shared content. The information displayed on your shared screen, including usernames and password, are visible to the person you are sharing with. Screen sharing isn't available during audio calls. Screen sharing is protected with end-to-end encryption and is never recorded by WhatsApp. No one outside of the call, not even WhatsApp, can see or hear what you share on your screen. For the best experience, update to the latest operating system and the latest version of WhatsApp. If members aren't using the latest version, a prompt will appear to update WhatsApp before screen sharing. So yeah, these are the ways with which you can share your screen on WhatsApp. Hope this video helps you out and we'll see you in the next one.